Today marks the 100 days since the World Health Organization was made aware of a mystery disease in China, which saw a clutch of people fall ill in the city of Wuhan on the 31st of December last year. As cases of the novel coronavirus COVID-19 spiked across the globe, the UAE did its best to ward off the outbreak. Since then, the country has taken steps including suspension of flights in and out of the country, sanitization drives, and public health awareness campaigns, among others. On the 29th of January, the UAE reported its first case. A Chinese family of 4 arrived from the city of Wuhan on the 16th of January. They were diagnosed with the deadly virus on the 29th of January, at a time when confirmed cases globally were nearing 6,000. 2 new cases of the lethal virus were detected in the country on the 8th of February, bringing the total number of people diagnosed to 7. On the 9th of February, the oldest family of the 4 who arrived from Wuhan who contracted the deadly coronavirus had been cured, marking the first recovery in the country. On the 28th of February, 2 Italian technicians who visited the country to participate in the UAE tour were diagnosed with the coronavirus. Dozens involved in the UAE tour were quarantined in their homes and the event was cancelled. On the 8th of March, the Ministry of Education announced the closure of all schools and higher education institutions in the country for 4 weeks as a precautionary step against the coronavirus. The ministry had confirmed the total number of cases at that point had reached 45. On the 15th of March, remote working was activated for 2 weeks for select categories of public sector employees in the federal authorities. On the 20th of March, almost 2 months after the first cases of COVID-19 were reported in the country, the UAE announced its first virus-related fatality. 2 individuals had succumbed to the disease, while confirmed cases in the country reached 153. On the 25th of March, all fresh food markets and commercial centres, including shopping malls, were directed to close for 2 weeks. All inbound and outbound passenger flights were suspended for a period of 2 weeks. On the 26th of March, the UAE began a nationwide disinfection program to sanitize the country for the next 3 days as it fought the spread of the coronavirus. During that period, movement of traffic and public was restricted. Total number of cases stood at 333. On the 31st of March, that sterilization drive was extended until the 5th of April. On the 1st of April, a new remote work policy for private businesses was introduced. Under that policy, office-based workers must be limited to 30% of the company's workforce. On the 5th of April, Roads and Transport Authority of Dubai also suspended metro, tram and intercity bus operations until further notice. On the 4th of April, a 2-week 24-hour sterilization campaign began. Residents were directed to wear face masks and gloves at all times outside their homes and follow social distancing measures. Authorities noted that they would enforce strict restrictions on residents' movement during this time. On the 6th of April, the Ministry of Health and Prevention reported another 277 new coronavirus cases of different nationalities, bringing the total number of cases of the infection to 2,076, with 11 deaths from the virus and a total of 167 recovered patients. On the 7th of April, Dubai Economy announced that all commercial activities, with the exception of vital and support sectors, would remain closed until the 18th of April. The UAE has reported 2,359 cases, 12 deaths and 186 recoveries so far. The number of confirmed cases in the UAE has climbed above 2,350, with 12 deaths and 186 recoveries.